Hey YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beans. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing the all-new BMW 5 Series, the facelift, and this one is the 530i M Sport. So this is the all-new BMW 5 Series, the 2021 model. It's gone through a facelift. This is the 5 Series LCI, which means that it's a life cycle impulse. So let's straight away go to the exterior characteristics of the car. This car, being the M Sport variant, gets the sporty aerodynamic kit on it and has the sporty alloys too. While checking out the headlights, you have a laser LED headlamp. As you can notice, if you find that blue strip on a BMW, it means that it is a laser LED headlamp. They have the automatic high beam, low beam, and individual cut down of the LEDs for the opposite traffic too. They have a range of 650 meters. And while checking out the grille, you get the redesigned new grille, and they are active Airstream kidney grills. They can open and close depending upon the engine's temperature, which in return increases the aerodynamic efficiency of the car. And also you can notice this small camera over here. So that is a fisheye camera. So this car has 360 degrees camera, and also the sensors which are embedded on the bumpers. So both the 360 degree camera and the 360 degree sensors too. You miss out on the fog lamps because the laser headlamps will do that duty too for you. Just like other BMWs, this BMW also plays a lot of aerodynamics in it. You get air curtains and air breathers. Through this vent, the air curtain, the air passes. It reduces the turbulence formed inside the wheel arches, and there is a vent out over here through which the air passes out. So this in return increases the handling characteristics of the car. While checking out the wheels, you get 18-inch alloy wheels with run-flat tire system on them. The tires have mixed profiles in them. The front is 245/45 R18, whereas the rear is 275/40 R18. So that is because this is a rear-wheel drive car and you need more grip at the back. The benefit of having this run-flat tire system is that in case of a puncture, you can still drive at 80 km/h speed up to 80 km with zero pressure inside them. And while checking the side profile of the car, the same M kit transfers to the side also. You get the M badging on the front quarter panel, black accents for the vents, you get the side skirts down below. The window outlining is in black chrome finish. You get a electric foldable rear view mirror with the indicators incorporated into them, which again has a dual tone onto it. And once we come to the rear, the new 5 gets this redesigned tail lamps, and they are actually quite cool. They have this smoked finishing on them with a 3D design, which absolutely looks very cool for this car. You get the camera out over here again, which is a part of the 360 degree camera. The M Sport bumpers travel to the back too. You get twin exhaust tailpipes, which are trapezoidal in shape with the chrome finishing on them. The bumpers are two-tone in color, and again the 360 degree sensors are embedded into the bumpers. And while checking out the boot, you get a manual boot lid, which can be opened and reveals a very deep boot space. And if you lift up the panel, you get a emergency spare wheel with the toolkit for it. You get a 12-volt charging point just over there, and few hooks too, and just in case if you want to hold on to your luggage. A pretty reasonable amount of space out here. You also get the medical kit. The engine is a 2-liter petrol engine, 4-cylinder. It produces 252 bhp and 350 Newton meters of torque. It can do a 0 to 100 in 6.1 seconds, and as per ARAI, it has a fuel efficiency of 14.82 kilometers per liter. So right now we are seated inside the BMW 530i M Sport 2021, and as you can notice, you get a beautiful M steering wheel. Left hand side you have the controls for the speed limiter and the cruise control. Right hand side you have the controls for the media, telephone and voice assistance. You get paddle shifters on the steering wheel. The car also has launch control on it. And while checking out the instrument cluster, you get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. You get various information in them of the media and navigation, everything as such. Left hand side you have the information on your speedometer, right hand side you have the tachometer, extreme left you have the fuel gauge, and extreme right you have the temperature gauge. You get various information. The navigation usually comes out in the middle. And while checking out the doors, you get 2 memory functions for the driver's seat, the electrical functions for the windows and the blinders at the back. You get the lock and unlock over here, and also to open the boot you can use that switch over there too. The main display is again a 12.3-inch screen, just like the digital instrument cluster, whereas this one is touchscreen. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto 2 in it, and you get 4-zone AC, 2 zones in the front and 2 zones at the back. You get a touchscreen system for the AC also, so that you can just control by using this touch out over here. You get the media controls out there, and underneath this panel over here we have the wireless charging pad. You get a USB port, a 12-volt charging point, and 2 cup holders. Further down we have the iDrive controller. This is a touchpad, so you can enter in data for your address or mobile number over here, just like you can just write it down over there and the system would take it for you. You get the 8-speed shifter, electric parking brake, auto hold feature, the switch to activate the 360-degree camera. You get parking assistance in this car, so that you have the automatic parking and the reversing assistant too, which means the car can automatically park, and reversing assistant can remember the last 50 meters and bring you back in that same location with no steering input from your end. You get different driving modes: Eco, Pro, Comfort and Sport mode. You get adaptive suspension. 5 Series doesn't have the air suspension, it is adaptive suspension. And you get the traction control button, just in case you want to have some fun and go sideways. And just below this handrest you get a small space with a USB-C charging point and a small light lit for it. The key, this one is a manual key, but actually you get a display key along with this car, so that you can do the remote control parking also, whereas this is the manual key. You get the display key too with this car. And while checking the dashboard, this 530i M Sport gets this metallic kind of a finish on the dashboard with the brushed aluminum finishing on them. You get ambient lightings, 6 color combinations on the whole. You get Harman Kardon music system, which is 16 speakers on the whole with 464 watts. The seats are cognac interiors. This is a cognac color. They are synthetic leather. The front driver seat and the passenger seats are electronically controllable, whereas only the driver seat has the memory function. So let's go be seated at the back. So right now we are seated at the rear of the BMW 530i M Sport, and as you can see I have decent amount of head space and leg space too. I have good amount of thigh support, but if I lift it up there's a small amount of space, but there's a well underneath so that I can stretch my legs all the way, and I have the right amount of support. I have the handrest with 2 cup holders in them, and they can be opened and closed too. And for my comfort at the back, I have AC vents at the rear and the controller for the 2 zones at the back over here. I have a small space, 2 C-port charging points and a 12-volt charging point too. For more cooling efficiency, I have a AC vent out here on the B-pillar too. And while checking out the rear doors, you get the same trim at the rear doors too, with the ambient lightings and the brushed aluminum finishing. You get the sun blinders, which are manual, and apart from that I also have a small light over here. The car comes with a sunroof which can be electrically opened. It's not a panoramic sunroof, it's just a normal sunroof. All in all, a great space to be seated at the rear. So that's it from me on the all-new BMW 530i M Sport, the LCI model. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later in another video with another car. Until then, goodbye.